What's the meaning of air kiss? Air kiss. Air kiss. Air kiss. Air kiss. Air kiss.
An air kiss is a type of greeting or farewell gesture where you touch your cheek to someone else's cheek, but without actually making any physical contact. Instead of an actual kiss, you make a kissing sound while you move your head towards the other person's cheek, typically from a few inches away. This gesture is commonly used in social settings to greet or say goodbye to friends, acquaintances, or colleagues, particularly in European and Latin American cultures. It is seen as a polite and friendly gesture, particularly in situations where physical contact may not be appropriate or comfortable.